Hey everybody, it's Steve from the Moores Collective. It's Friday, the shop tour. I'm bringing it back. It's been a couple days, weeks, months. Yeah, you never know. See what's going on in my garage. Let's see. Started cleaning up the tool bench. Gonna start vacuuming. And I'm gonna make room on my toy display. Yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. We have extra wood ready to go. I have a bunch of cutting board wood cut, ready to go. This is glued up. That is all glued. Those are not. We have to get through that. I have a broken shoulder, so I can't lift it. That's another story for another day. Bandsaw's looking good. The jointer is fully disassembled. I have ordered a new cutting head. That is on its way. They said 1 to 2 weeks. They emailed me back. They said now 2 months on a new cutting head. So that's going to be a little bit. Let's see. New dust extractor. Looks great. Table saw's good. And here is the new toy that has landed in the garage. Yes. Say hello to Shang Khan. He will eventually go there. So, yeah, I'm a woodworker. I collect toys. So be it. Have fun. Happy Friday, happy weekend, everyone.